Hello, dear friends, co-workers, diplomats, expats, volunteers. This is Dr. Abdullah speaking. I would like to invite you for our website, Protocol and People. Every step I have taken has been with one purpose: to make a difference in your life. Today, I'm excited to invite you on a journey of growth, transformation with Protocol and People. We focus on you as the most significant asset in human capital development. My passion is to see you thrive and guide you on towards the success you deserve. At Protocol and People, we are focusing on unlocking your true potential through personal, social, and professional development. It's never too late. It's time to change. It's time to show your self-efficacy. Join us with our mission, Infinite Minds, One Vision. Visit our website, book a free consultation, and use promo code LUNCH10 for 10% off, which is valid until December. Let's unlock your infinite potential together. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.